Fan Yuan carried Xiaomi to the infirmary, where the school nurse diagnosed her with low blood sugar caused by skipping breakfast. The nurse advised her to rest for half a day and set her up with an IV drip. She then asked Fan Yuan to buy Xiaomi some breakfast. Feeling a bit embarrassed at first, Xiaomi eventually told Fan Yuan she liked chicken fillet. Fan Yuan reassured her to rest well before heading to the cafeteria to get her meal. Xiaomi glanced at the IV drip, finding it agonizingly slow. Without a phone to pass the time, she grew impatient and tried to speed up the drip. However, this caused a painful swelling on the back of her hand. Seeing that the bottle was labeled glucose injection, Xiaomi decided to take matters into her own hands. She removed the needle and drank the glucose directly. Just as she lifted the bottle to her lips, Zhang Roxy arrived at the infirmary looking for Fan Yuan. Startled, Xiaomi accidentally spilled some of the fluid on Zhang Roxy's face. Without trying to hide it, she boldly drank the rest of the glucose right in front of him. When Fan Yuan returned with breakfast, Zhang Roxy told him what had happened. Fan Yuan scolded Xiaomi for being reckless. Feeling embarrassed, Xiaomi asked him to help her get a leave of absence for the day. Fan Yuan went to the school nurse for a leave slip, but Zhang Roxy jokingly teased her by saying things contrary to her wishes. Fortunately, Fan Yuan cleared things up. Xiaomi overheard the exchange and mentally noted her grievances against Zhang Roxy. That evening, Lin Rolly returned to the dorm and asked Xiaomi how she was recovering. Xiaomi explained that it was just low blood sugar and that she felt fine after a short rest. Still worried, Lin Rolly made Xiaomi a cup of brown sugar water and gave her a few white rabbit candies for prevention. Touched by her kindness, Xiaomi felt warm inside. When Wang Xiaoyu came back, she shared funny stories about the day's military training, making Xiaomi regret missing out on all the excitement. The next day during training, Xiaomi, who had missed previous drills, struggled with her marching. Her steps were out of sync, and Linroli, marching behind her, was also affected, causing a commotion among the group. The coach brought both of them to the front and criticized them. Zhang Roxy suggested that instead of scolding, the coach could help Xiaomi adjust her steps. Feeling embarrassed, the coach asked Zhang Roxy to personally correct their mistakes. Zhang Roxy identified the issue and quickly helped them march properly. However, the coach accused Zhang Roxy of showing off and punished the entire class by making them stand in formation for 30 minutes. After training, Xiaomi realized she had left her thermos on the basketball court. As she went to retrieve it, Fan Yuan approached her and handed it over, having picked it up earlier. Xiaomi was surprised that Fan Yuan remembered it was hers after only seeing it once. Fan Yuan explained that he had an even earlier memory of her, sparking Xiaomi's curiosity. However, before she could ask further, Wang Xiaoyu called her to join them for a meal. During lunch, while Wang Xiaoyu left to get food, Zhang Roxy sat across from Xiaomi to eat. He kept teasing her about eating too much and too quickly, which irritated Xiaomi. She picked up her tray and was about to leave when the dorm supervisor, Teacher Dai, arrived to check for food waste. Seeing Xiaomi's nearly full plate, Teacher Dai gave her a stern lecture. Fearing points might be deducted from the class, Xiaomi returned to her seat and finished everything on her plate. On the final night of military training, the school held a farewell party for the instructors. Zhang Roxy hosted Class 1's program, and the first game was a tongue twister challenge involving counting frogs. Xiaomi made a mistake and was asked to perform a talent as a penalty. Having no particular skill to showcase, she sang an old song, Good Luck Comes. Another class teased her for singing such an outdated song, but her entire class joined in and sang along with her, creating a lively and uplifting atmosphere that made Xiaomi feel proud and happy. After military training ended, the school introduced a mandatory morning run. Many students struggled to adapt, and Lynn Rowley, whose shoes didn't fit well, developed painful blisters after a short distance. She wanted to rest, but was caught by Teacher Dai, who forced her to rejoin the run. Meanwhile, Zhang Roxy noticed that Xiaomi and several other girls were having a hard time keeping up and suggested slowing the pace for everyone. Back in the classroom, as they prepared for lessons, Fan Yuan gave Xiaomi a bottle of Wahaha AD calcium milk. Shami asked about the unfinished conversation from before. Fan Yuan revealed that they had actually met years ago on a cruise in Guilin, and he had been deeply impressed by her back then. However, Siami had no memory of the encounter.